Kamusta mga teki? Ako nga pala si Paul at kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, click mo na ang subscribe button pati na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na pwede natin pagkakitaan online. And dito nga mga teki, namimigay tayo ng 50 pesos para doon sa unang makakapag-comment and another 50 pesos naman para doon sa makakapag-comment na hashtag word na makikita rin sa video na to.
Okay mga teki, before we start, you can download the application or the platform na gagamitin natin to invest in the cryptocurrency. This is where we can do our transactions sa cryptocurrency. So this is what I'm lacking before, no? Kaya hindi tayo nakapag-invest sa cryptocurrency kasi wala naman nagtuturo kung saan talaga pwedeng mag-invest into cryptocurrency. So dyan, click nyo lang yung link dyan sa my description box below para makita nyo and ma-download nyo yung gagamitin nating platform. Okay, so once ka na nakapag-register ka na dyan, so you can just link your Google account or your Apple account there, or you can just register using your email or your mobile number in that platform. Okay, so dito nga po tayo pwede mag-invest sa cryptocurrency. So what I can recommend to the original, so lalong-lalo na kung beginner ka pa lang or kung talagang wala ka pang alam sa cryptocurrency world, yeah, so you stick with the basics or you stick with the originals, no? Like BNB, BTC, yan, that's Bitcoin, yung BTC na yan. So, ETH, yan yung talagang mga subok na and talagang hindi na mawawala dito sa cryptocurrency. So, take note lang na sinasabi ko na hindi mawawala pero pwede rin naman talagang malaki yung ibinaba ng value nito kasi talagang taas-baba itong mga cryptocurrency. Pero, yun nga, tulad yan sinasabi ko, meron tayong way on how we can make money here. So, kasi subok ko na over the years ng pag-invest ko dito sa cryptocurrency or pag-trade ko dito sa cryptocurrency, I earned a lot from these volatilities. Okay, so syempre, first things first, kailangan natin mag-deposit dito kasi it takes money to make money sa pag-invest or sa pag-trade. So, kailangan lang natin syempre mag-deposit dito. Okay, so from here sa dashboard, punta lang po tayo dito sa add funds. So, yan pong buy with P2P. Yan yung magpo-post ka ng order mo kung gaano karami yung bibilin mo. And yun nga po, may mga sellers na po dyan. Yan. So, click lang po natin yan. So, dito mga teki, kung nagsisimula kayo, I highly suggest that you start with buying USDT and USDC. So, yan po yung mga dollar-denominated cryptocurrencies na, kumbaga, stable coins. So, let's say, papasok ka pa lang, yan yung stable coins na walang volatile. Yung pwede mo itama yung pera mo as is yung value with the dollar denomination. And yun nga po, kapag ka mag-take profit ka na, you will transfer it or you will convert it with USDT or USDC. Ayan, so since magpapasok nga po tayo ng pera, magkiklik tayo dito sa buy. Ayan, so make sure lang na syempre meron kang GCash or bank account. Ayan, so para doon yung padadaanin yung bayad mo. Ayan, so ikaw magbabayad kasi bibili ka. And in return, isisend nila sa'yo yung USDT na order mo. Ayan, so para kang umorder sa Lazada, na kapag gusto mo ng, let's say, 100 USDT, yan, so magbabayad ka sa kanila and then ipapadala nila sa'yo. So, very safe itong P2P kasi dadaan siya ng platform na Binance. And so, kasi kapag nakapagbayad ka and hindi niya pinadala yung order mo, yan, so pwede siya maban dito sa exchange kasi may mga pipindutin ka dito and pwede mo siyang i-report. And yung pera mo, safe din yun kasi babalik yun sa account mo. So again, this P2P transaction, I've done this 100 times or even 1,000 times na kasi I'm always using this when transferring money from my crypto wallet or from my crypto exchange platform. And so from here, magbabay nga tayo. So click lang natin itong payment. Mamimili tayo kung saan at kung paano tayo magbabayad. We have GCash, Maya, GoTime Bank, BDO, China Bank, Land Bank, Metropolitan Bank, and RCBC, Security Bank, Union Bank. And so a lot of banks, all of the major banks here in the Philippines nandito. And yun, kung wala ka pa nitong mga banks na to or even wala kang GCash or Maya, you may consider opening an account with them first before going into cryptocurrency. So, ayan, so let's say nakapagpasok ka na ng pera and nakapag-deposit ka na nga dito. Ayan, so makikita mo yan sa total balance dito and all you need to do is buy. And dito nga sa cryptocurrency, we have a lot of ways to earn. First is yung spot market trading, which is you buy low and then you sell high. So let's say you buy Bitcoin at around 90,000 US dollar per Bitcoin and then umangat nga siya. Pumunta siya ng 100,000 US dollar. So that's around 11% return. So kung magkano yung pera mo na pinasok mo, kung magkano yung pinasok mo, let's say may 1,000 ka and then pinasok mo and umangat nga yung presyo ng Bitcoin into 100,000 US dollar. Nung bumili ka ng 90,000 pa lang, umangat ng 100,000, you have around 11% returns. So yung 1,000 mo naging 1,100. So that's the spot market trading, and ganito nga po yun. Ayan, so punta nga lang po tayo dito sa trade, and then yun nga, i-convert natin yung USDT natin into Bitcoin. So let's say you want to invest $100 na Bitcoin, and so never mind yung mga numbers yan sa gilid. So automatic na nga po yung pagko-compute niyan, and automatic na nga po yung pagtatagpuin yung mga orders niyan. So kung order ka ng Bitcoin na amounting to 100 USDT, so pagtatagpuin nila yan, you have an order, and then yung mga nagbebenta ng Bitcoin yan, pagtatagpuin nila yan. Sila na nga po para dyan, and all you need to do is just click this buy BTC. And then once you bought the BTC, you can just wait for it na tumaas yung value. So dito pumapasok yung cost averaging. Yan. So parang nag-invest ka sa stocks, di ba? Like what I said sa mga other videos ko, yung cost averaging, yan nga po yung pinaka magandang way to invest. So regardless kung mataas o mababa yung value ng Bitcoin, you just keep on investing, or you can just keep on buying Bitcoin. Yan. So kasi eventually tataas din naman yung presyo niyan. So syempre, wag ka naman sa pinakataas bumili. So Bitcoin kasi nasa all-time high. So wait for it to go down further, no. So bababa yan mga 50,000 US dollar per Bitcoin. So you can just buy from there, and then pataas, kahit pataas siya ng pataas, you keep on buying, or kahit bumaba siya ng konti, maging 40,000 or 30,000, you keep on buying. Kasi that's what we did. We bought Bitcoin kahit na pababa siya, binibili namin, and then eventually naging 100,000 US dollars nga siya. So yung average namin sa pagbili ng Bitcoin, kasi since continuous nga yung pagbili namin ng Bitcoin, and so at around 30 or 40,000 US dollar per Bitcoin yung average namin. And then yung Bitcoin nung tumaas ng 100,000 US dollar, napakalaki nga po nung jump. So it's around 100% return sa capital namin, no? So yung BNB, BTC, and ETH, yan po yung mga originals talaga sa cryptocurrency world. And you do cost averaging. Yan. So para ma-minimize mo yung risk, so you keep on buying Bitcoin. Kahit anong presyo niyan, tumaas o bumaba, you keep on buying, and then eventually it will go up, no? So you just hold with your Bitcoin, and then you wait for it to go up in value. So second thing na pwede natin gawin dito is you stake your tokens or your cryptocurrency, no? So base token natin is yung USDT, and so stablecoin niya, it's US denominated. It's always of the same value, no? So it depends on the US dollar. And so from here mga teki, since nasa funding yung pera natin na USDT, we can just transfer it to earn. Ayan, so transfer, click natin transfer. Funding to pot muna. Ayan, and select natin yung USDT natin. Ayan, so i-max na natin yan. So click natin confirm transfer. Ayan, so click natin okay. Ayan, so nasa spot na po yan. And then from here mga teki, we can just go to earn. Ayan, so click natin itong earn na nasa taas, and all we need to do from here is subscribe. Ayan, so click natin to subscribe now. Since USDT nga po yung hawak natin dito, and if you have other tokens, you can stake it here. So if you have USDT or USDC, kasi pag USDT and USDC, di ba mga stable coins nga sila, and nagbibigay sila ng 7.29% return. Yan, annually po yan, pero daily rewards po yan. Daily po yung pagbibigay nila. Naka-pro rate lang. Nakapag umabot ng 1 year, yan yung value. Yan yung madadagdag sa pera mo. So let's say you have 10,000 US dollars like what we have here na pinakita namin sa inyo, and you invested or you staked it with earn here, and kumita nga ng 7.29% per year, no? So you'll have 729 US dollar at the end of the year. So that's how it works, no? Pero yun nga, ang bigay niyan is daily, so you can enjoy it every day. So the more you stake, the more you get in return sa pag-i-stake mo. So that's how it works, no? Para ka nag-invest sa dividend play mo with stocks. Let's say you invested in a dividend stocks na nagbibigay ng 5%. So at the end of the year, you'll get 5%. Pero dito, at the end of the year, you'll get a total of 7.29%. Pero kasi ang bigay niya nga is daily, no? So you can enjoy your money. And they also have staking for ETH or BTC. So if you bought BTC, for spot trading and hinintay mo tumaas yung value, you can stake it here para kumikita siya kahit paano. So, since we have USDT here and pwede natin siyang ilagay sa earn, no? So, again, over the years na ginagawa ko to, I would say na it's very safe kasi yun nga, nasa loob ng platform na to and also, talagang subok ko na kumikita ako dito, no? So, ang maganda dito is dapat ino-auto-subscribe mo para yung earnings mo every day, nag-auto-subscribe siya, kumikita rin ng earnings yon or kumikita rin ng interest yon, yung mga interest. So, yung interest ng pera mo, kumikita rin ng interest, no? So, ayan. So, pwede natin i-maximum yan. Click lang natin tong max. Ayan. So, every day, you'll get 0.62750 USDT and 0.0684 USDT. So, yan po yung ma-earn mo every day. So, for me, malaki na siya kasi if you are going to keep your money sa bangko na hindi nag-interest, malaki na yung return na to. And if you are going to save it sa time deposit ng mga traditional banks, you'll get 1% plus tax. Dito, you'll get 7.29% free of tax. So, that's how it works. So, okay, so if you really want to pursue with your staking, just click confirm. Subscription successful. And yun nga, ibibigay nila yung date and time kung kailan ka mag-earn ng iyong first interest. And I highly suggest that you try this staking kasi it's very safe naman. And I'm not saying that you put all your life savings here, but I would say that it will give you interest that can beat inflation. Plus, meron ka pang sobra. So, napakalaki niya as compared if you are going to save it in a traditional banks. And there you go mga techie. So, kung makikita nyo, meron tayong cumulative interest na $131 kasi naka-stake na nga tayo dito for the longest time. And yun, naka-auto-subscribe kasi parang interest na kinikita natin everyday, kikita rin siya ng interest. So, yun nga po, that's compounding interest na tinatawag.
So that's it mga techie. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.